Welcome to our Acquaint video. In this episode you will see how to sign up for home referencing powered by FCC Paragon. Go to File in the top left-hand corner. Then click on Third-Party Integrations. Click on the Referencing button. Then Online Referencing. This will bring up the FCC Paragon screen. If you would like more information, click on the Find Out More button. Now click the Sign Up button. When you click OK, you will be taken to their Sign Up page. Here you need to enter a few details. If you put your address postcode in, Home will provide a list of addresses on that postcode. If you need to enter manually, you have the option of this too. After entering in these details, click Continue. There will be a few more bits of information that need filling out but should take no longer than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this episode. Click here for desktop videos. Click here for Acquaint web videos. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more.